So in this video, I will show you a trick how to get your drift stick working again. So it's a 30-second trick. All you need to do is keep blowing into your drift stick. Yes, so what you need to do is move your drift stick up, keep blowing it in between the gaps. So keep blowing it like this. And then move your drift stick down, keep blowing it again. And then to the left, and then keep blowing it so where the edges are. And then on the right side, keep blowing it again. Yeah, do this for 30 seconds and then your drift stick will work. It should work. Give it a go because it worked on my one, and try it on your one. Let's zoom into the drift stick and I will show you where you need to keep blowing for about 30 seconds. So blow in between the drift stick where the arrow is. Keep blowing up, down, left, right. This trick should fix your drift stick. So yeah, if it's malfunctioned, then try this trick and tell me what you think. Please comment below.